individuals. The reduction to 11,000 would take us back to 1995 levels and would bring us in line with the rate of our neighboring states. Today, Wisconsin incarcerates twice as many at twice the expense of our neighbors in Minnesota. What to do with the 11,000? We say work with them to break the cycle of recidivism and enable them to become productive members of our community. Alternatives to incarceration, which requires accountability and commitment to change on the part of participants, are the most effective programs to break the recidivism cycle. Alternative programs focus on the curable and changeable causes of crime, that is, addiction, mental illness, illiteracy, and lack of employable skills. La Crosse County has a veterans court, a drug court, 2 OWI courts, and collaborates with a range of community groups. Regionally, the Interfaith Community supports and voluntarily staffs a highly innovative and successful Circles of Support program, where 5 members make a 6-month commitment to provide a personal network of support for a parolee or an ex-con. Criminal acts are breakdowns in human relationships. Healing and strengthening human relationships offers a way to break the cycle of criminal behavior. We have a lot to be proud of in the greater La Crosse area in terms of cooperation between public and private agencies and organizations who continue to work together to reduce recidivism and create a more compassionate community. As community members, we deem it timely and appropriate to call on our elected officials to re-examine policies which have led to extremely high incarceration rates and to make changes that will result in less crowded jails and prisons. And we challenge ourselves and the people of this great state of Wisconsin to re-examine our attitudes about incarcerating so many people. We believe that reducing the number of incarcerated individuals by 11,000 is a possible and a prudent goal. 11 by 15 is a vision and a campaign that will make our Wisconsin a healthier, safer, and more compassionate community. We need only the will to make it happen. Thank you.